blending, 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 blending. It's all about blending.
All about.
But not all foundations are matte.
Well, she should have said that. She should have looked at me. She said, "Oh, you have good skin. Oh, you have good skin." She said that. But why she didn't say, "Oh, your skin good, but it's oily"?
Alright guys, so today, me and my special guest, Trigger Trey, aka Trey J, and all his information will be down below. We're doing a, what?
I guess, drunk makeup tutorial.
Today, also, we're going to be following a makeup guru, Patrickstarrr.
I love him.
And we're going to recreate his look using Rihanna's Fenty Beauty collection lipstick in the color what?
Wasabi. Wasabi. Oh yeah. We should say happy happy St. Patrick's Day.
Oh yeah.
Patrickstarrr.
But for real, Patrick,
You know?
it's my birthday. So happy
17.
birthday to me. Okay. This is cheers to Patrickstarrr and Lamb.
Yeah.
In this video. Lamb, you're awesome and cool, dude.
Be who
Keep
you are.
doing you. What? Say it again?
Be who you are.
And don't forget to hit my subscribe button, obviously, because you're on my channel.
Hello.
But anywho, yeah.
Let's get it. Okay. Patrickstarrr.
I'm scared.
Take it light. Like, I'm so fucking scared. So, for the record, I've never, ever, ever put on makeup. Ever. Let's take another shot before we start. We gotta take another shot before we start. So fucking scared.
Let's go.
Alright.
So first thing, I'm going to take this Magic Cream by Charlotte Tilbury along with my Fix Plus and apply this all over my face because I love these two. This one really hydrates the skin and this also hydrates the skin.
Well, Charlotte Tilbury, if you want to add me to your PR listing, I currently don't have that. And also, Mac, if you want to hit me on that PR list. But me and him both will be using this professional, because he forgot his primer, and yeah. Professional matte resistant matte rescue primer.
I'm looking at you.
Ooh.
So, I went to Sephora and got my, my makeup. Didn't know what I was looking for. So I got color matched for the first time. What is this?
Don't worry about it. What do you face?
Stick it. So I got color matched for the first time. And she was like, "Do you have makeup on now?" I said, "No." And she was like, "You have some great skin." I said, "Oh."
I wasn't there at that time and place. I didn't hear what she said. I don't know if that's correct.
I mean, that's correct. That's accurate. Alright, mine's blended in, I guess. Mine's just in my skin. I feel it.
Alright, now that we put our primer on, let's see what's next.
I do shave, I do have a beard. That's what I use because after I shave it's like exfoliating, so I get super dry. So that's why I use these two, which are super hydrating. I did not find this. I went to Sephora and apparently they don't sell this in Sephora stores anymore. So not too long ago I went to a Sephora.
I don't want to look right at it.
Square, and I got it there.
How you do? I'm
now
scared.
They don't got it there anymore. So I got this at Macy's, but I heard they do still sell it online. Someone told me on Twitter. But Doubleware is amazing. It's so durable. You can be through a store.
Alright, so he's using Doubleware from Estee Lauder. I will be using today my Fenty Beauty and my Maybelline 24-hour foundation together.
And I'll be using Sephora. So,
well, I'm going to start off with a few pumps of Fenty.
oh shit, we gotta do it now?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all, look at my little, what is beauty sponge that I got from, TJ Maxx. $4. I mean, I ain't spending more money.
I can't tell.
Well, you gotta I don't know how to do this my first time, so I need some pointers. This looks so dark. This looks so, I'm nervous.
I'm so drunk. I know this is too much. This is like cake.
Look at this.
Did you even put any on?
How I know when I get my whole face?
I'm not supposed to know.
How would I know when I get my whole face?
You'll feel it.
How you feel it? I'm all in my eyebrows. I'm in everything. I'm gonna make me some edges. I feel like it's just dots on my face everywhere. No, you got a mirror. You have a mirror. That's cheating.
You could get one.
I don't
Use
wear.
that.
You see, I try to support, but I get failed.
How do you get
Look,
that? That doesn't make sense. How do you get that?
I didn't know I was supposed to use a mirror. Big ups to people who do makeup, because this is so hard.
Who?
I'm just on, what? I said big ups to people who do makeup.
Oh.
After this, I think I'm gonna need another shot doing this. I thought I just did this, boom, boom, boom. Then I was done. I didn't know how to get inside in my lip and. My skin looks so oily. Why it look so oily? It's not. My skin naturally oily. Would you call me oil skin?
Caroline, once you put powder on, you'll be fine.
Would you consider my skin oily?
You are oily.
Right? Mm-hmm. Do they make like different makeup for oily people?
The foundation you're using is not a matte foundation.
Then why she didn't recommend me matte? She did a skin match.
But not all foundations are matte.
Well, she should have said that. She should have looked at me. She said, "Oh, you have good skin. Oh, you have good skin." She said that. But why she didn't say, "Oh, your skin good, but it's oily. I'm gonna recommend you this." And you know, I'm going back. Look at this. This is like baby oil. I should got baby oil. Okay, I'm done. What's the next step, Patrick? What's the next step?
Yes, Patrick, please help him.
I'm done with this.
Because next I know you're gonna say something about some powder.
All right,
He's talking about some concealer.
I love Tarte's Boy Concealer, but I just switched back.
Alright, well, I'm gonna be using Maybelline first. I like to double up on my concealer, so I use Maybelline and then Tarte Shape by, wait, what?
Oh.
Shape Tape by Concealer. First I'll be using the Maybelline concealer, then I'll be using Sharp Shape.
Who?
Sharp Tape.
There we go.
Concealer by Tarte. And they call it medium, light medium.
Sharp Shape. Which is one use. I'll be using, oh, I didn't tell y'all. I'll be using another brand of Sephora. I wasn't spending a lot of money for this one time.
I'm praying my eyes stop watering, but I just.
That's how my eyes feel. Water.
NC20.
My eyes is watering.
So use that as a base, but.
Look how I put this on. Somebody save me. Somebody come and save me, cause this is horrible. Where you do it? You do it here, all the way down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't feel like I have enough on. I want to do it here, all the way down.
There you go. There you go.
I look like Wakanda. I'm in that tribe.
What am I being able to? I'm actually doing good, and I'm tipsy.
I'm not doing good. Hit that subscribe and say hello.
I like this brush so much. Blending. It's all about blending.
It is all about. He got his. What is this? All the way down here. Oh, no.
Blending, 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 blending. It's all about blending.
All about.
I bring you up.
Alright, because he's about to use powder, I'm gonna jump in with my good old translucent powder.
I want to do more of this because he got like his is way over here. I want mine to be right there where he at.
Well, you were supposed to use the boy this way powder right here.
Dominic, you gave me this.
Because you use the darker color. That is supposed to go all over your face. You're supposed to use this powder.
Oh my. Patrick, please don't fast forward this part. Let me get my shit together. I'll be using Too Faced to set my face like Patrick. You set me up for failure. Is that powder? Okay. Oh my.
A powdered, I stay and
Patrick said ain't nothing wrong with beg.
Oh my god.
Beg me, Patrick.
So much better in person
Beg
than
me.
online.
That's what I'll be using, y'all.
You could possibly think of, and I love it. Ooh, we have this mean color down here. That's what I'm gonna use. So let's jump into the eye makeup. So right on the inner corner, I'm gonna take this color and apply it to the inner corner of my eye.
Ooh, Patrick.
I guess we'll start with this gray color.
Like, where am I? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Give me a shot.
Okay, give me a shot for that.
Patrick said boom, 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 boom.
I don't know.
Both in the eyes is colored.
She don't think about beginners. She don't think about beginners. I've done this for a little bit now. He's so bad.
I'm taking this brush from the Eyesight collection and dipping
And I'm
it
gonna
into
go
this Kat
ahead
Von
and
D.
put that to transition it towards the middle of the. Next, I'm gonna take the Moon Dust palette and.
Okay, so we only getting a little bit.
So we're gonna put that.
Okay, we're only getting a little bit, Patrick. Okay, I got you. Hold on. Oh shit. Alright, so we're gonna put it.
God damn, I still have Fallout. Kat Von D, what is going on with this pigmentation?
They're not blending right. It's just horrible. Yours are more like his than mine. You a lie.
You're gonna use this
Color
shade.
Galaxy from the Moon Dust.
This one?
Oh, no, I'm
maybe
gonna use. I'm
maybe
gonna
I
be
have
using
that.
this shade right here called Attitude.
Oh, and I'll be using this shade right here.
Underneath.
I'll be using this shade right here called I don't know.
Taking the Ice Light from Morphe collection. And I'm going to take this brush right here.
And I'm taking this collection and I'll be using this right here.
I'll be using my toothpaste and I'm gonna spray my brush.
I'll be using Tarte C. Oh shit, it's sprayed in my face. Oh, that blending is lit.
Oh, look at
Come on, Patrick. Come on.
Some of these colors, and the next palette that I have is the Urban
didn't start
Decay
there.
Full Spectrum. This is my lid. It's a little bit darker than I thought.
Alright.
It's still pretty. So next I'm going to take this color Minx in the palette. It's
There we
this
go.
beautiful dark navy blue, and I'm going to use this on the outer third of my eye using the Morphe M433 brush. This is a must-have brush for everything. You want to be careful blending.
I think you used a
So
different color.
That's
blue.
what it looks like, Patrick. You use like a
darker
blue right
navy
here.
blue.
Yeah.
You don't think this is bad at all. I know I might be drunk and it looks good, but I think I did a good job. I think you did a great job. I think yours look more. I think yours look amazing. Mine's look like fucking. You could tell somebody drunk made it.
I'm ready for next.
Alright, so now we're going on to the next. Don't mind this Fallout.
Looking like a real cool. So the lid color and the outer color pretty much match. I'm going to take this little bit of a brighter blue called Vega.
Okay, Patrick. Hold on.
We did all this work just to cover it up.
We did dark blue with glitter. Dark blue outside. And then we go vacuum with lighter glitter. I'm in here. Actually, do this some more.
Night Life in the Sephora and Morphe, Moschino collection, and I'm going to put it all over my eye right there. Literally, like,
Look at mine.
did my fucking
Oh
eye.
shit, that's so much. That is so much.
To the center of the lid. You see all this fallout?
Yeah.
Y'all are
Yeah.
probably like, how the heck are you going to get that off your face? I'm wearing so much powder, it's just going to dust off.
Hopefully.
Not to
Alright, so we're gonna-
did this, y'all.
So we're gonna blend.
Cute. Now we're talking.
Fuck.
If you like that cool transition color,
No.
by all means leave it. It looks cool, but I prefer a little bit of one because I just can't do it. Take your time because if you be doing this too crazy and frustrated, you're gonna look like a raccoon. I'm gonna take more of that mix, that dark blue from the Full Spectrum palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and darken it back up because we were blending our life away. You see, I'm just patting it for that deposit.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
So you don't create a harsh line, but you still get the color. So
I shouldn't add that brown into it.
Blending. Alright, so before
My
we
shit
start,
way
this
up
is
my
what I like
eyebrows.
to use this product. This is called
Look
Matte
at this
Reflective
one.
Teal. It looks.
Alright.
I got blue
Ooh.
on.
But Liam didn't have a little liner, but I'm gonna do a little bit liner.
So now we're gonna add eyeliner.
This can get even worse.
Eyeliner. So I'm gonna go first because we only have one.
That's liquid.
No,
That's chalk.
The green.
This is chalk.
I'll be using the NYX and he'll be using the
Chalk.
I'm gonna add some. He didn't do this, but I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna add black from the Morphe palette
Oh, Patrick.
into my.
Oh, Patrick.
Patrick, I'm not doing that. So you think him, don't think me.
He might have.
He did.
Play the video and see.
Ooh.
Liner for the kids. I'm gonna put a little bit of dramatic liner because it's a dramatic look, kids. So watch and learn. This is by Inglot. It's black and it's amazing. And it's dark as night. So I'm gonna take this with my MAC 260. The number has rubbed off the 266 brush. This is my favorite brush for liner. I'm gonna try to slay a wing. Next, we're just gonna curl the lashes up to Jesus.
Alright, we got curl lashes up.
We use that.
Oh, I will be using Too Faced Better Than Sex.
So now we're gonna do mascara, and I'm gonna be using my Bad Girl Bang of right here. My favorite mascara of the year so far.
Product, and then we're gonna apply the fake lashes, y'all. Here's the thing.
We about to put lashes on.
This looks so fucking sick. This looks so really good. Like, so good. Looks so deep.
Okay, guys.
Reading back to me, definitely remember, be kind to one another, spread love, spread positivity, regardless of what is happening in this world right now. I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
Blending, 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 blending. It's all about blending.
All
Thinking
about.
about saying my